And today we are going to be doing rain clouds.
Rain clouds. And who's joining you today?
James, I guess.
Cousin James. That's right. So in this experiment, we have some different.
But nacho is going to sweep soup. So there's going to be no nacho in this video.
That's okay. So.
But Otto will be in this video.
But Otter's in the video. That's right. All right. So what the ingredients that we have today is we have water, we have blue food coloring, and we have cotton balls for the clouds. So Edgy, I'm gonna and your name tag. So Edge,
my name tag.
you have a name tag too. That's right.
My mama made it for James because we didn't have a name tag.
Okay. So Edgy, I'm gonna have you start off first. I need you to get the food coloring and put a good amount of food coloring into the water. Not all of it.
What about 5?
Put 6.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay, that's it. All right, so now James, I want you to take the stirring rod and I want you to gently stir the water.
And then we can do it. We can take turns.
No, I'm gonna have James do the stirring because you already did the food coloring. So go ahead and stir it gently, James, so it mixes well. Gently. There we go. As you can see right there, the blue is mixing with the water.
You can take it out, James.
All right, so we're gonna go ahead and take out the stir. Okay, now you guys are gonna take turns gently putting cotton balls into the strainer. Okay, so gently take turns.
Cotton balls.
So we're gonna form the clouds. Okay, so I'm gonna bunch them up like that. Okay, so now we're gonna move the blue cup over here, and I want you guys to take turns. Take turns. You're gonna get some of the blue coloring out of the water, and you're gonna squirt them into the clouds. Okay.
That rain.
So into the cotton balls. You want to squirt them into the cotton balls. There you go.
It's raining. It's raining.
Okay, make sure to get all the cotton balls.
It's raining in the cotton ball. And we didn't get this one from the book.
Look at that.
Ooh.
So as the cotton balls get soaked with water, it starts to drip into the vase. Do you guys want to know why?
Why?
So just like just like the clouds up in the sky, when they get full of water, what happens?
Rain.
It rains. That's right.
So I think I know why it rains now.
Why?
It comes up the sky and
It
then
does.
it goes through the cloud.
Right. And what does the what does the cloud collect that makes it rain?
Water.
Water. You're right. Let's get a nice shot here of the vase.
Cotton ball.
There's some rain on the table, but that's okay. As you can see, there's rain. It's like it's raining inside the vase. Very
You have
cool.
to do it like this.
Very
Everyone.
cool.
I don't go do like rain.
By the way, Edge, can you tell the audience what you're giving away because you hit 100 subscribers?
It's a book. It's like this call that we got that we were getting from Target.
From Target. So Edge hit 100 subscribers on his YouTube channel. So we're going to be giving away a gift card from the winner's choice. So we're going to be putting a link in the video description, and you guys just click the link and there's instructions on how to enter the giveaway to celebrate Edge reaching 100 subscribers. So Edge, while you continue this experiment, is there anything you want to say to your audience before we end the video?
Thank you for watching my video. I'm gonna keep doing this until all of it's gone.
Okay, sounds good.
Can we just dump this?
No. You got to use the dropper. All right. Can you both say bye-bye?